So this is the JSA 520 Plus with a 60mm clearance over the board with height measurement, 9 cameras, solder inspection for THT, component inspection for THT, and SMT. Just going to open the machine. So at the back of the machine we have the inspection head with the 9 cameras, Z-axis with a height sensor on the side of the camera, rail clamping system. We can inspect top and bottom of the board, include it in the same program. So I'm going to place the board, bring the camera to the board.
What you can also see here is the bottom pan can be taken out for higher clearance, and the side panels can be modified so that you can conveyorize the system.
So we have a Z-axis. So here we have a Z-axis. So we lift the camera head up to look at the top of the component. Same here. So you can see here, we can see the top of the component by adjusting the Z-axis. We also have a height measurement tool here, so we can measure the height of the component. So it's going to quickly sample the height of this component and give me a measurement. And there, and click OK, and test, and it's measuring the height of the component. And then we can also measure from end to end the height to make sure the component has complementarity. We can also do solder inspection on our components here on SMT. So we can see colorized solder joints. Red indicates a good solder fillet, blue indicates low solder, white indicates no solder. On our ICs, we are doing bridge checking, polarity checking, text checking, and multiple inspection points for each solder joint. And some capacitors, button checks. We can also check if the button is flat by using a special light scheme which highlights flat surfaces in white. If it's not flat, it won't be white. Now I'm going to run an inspection cycle. I'm going to hit the stop and then the play. Checking fiducials, inspecting my components, and then we'll then move the Z-axis up to look at the tops of these components, and then move it up further for the taller components, and then do a height measurement on each component, so I've enabled height measurement. At the end of the inspection, we display with our 9 camera system the defects. So here we've got a little piece of dirt that's triggered as a bridge up here, so I can click and hold on that, and I can see it's found this little sliver here as a bridge. I can also view in the 9 camera view here and selectively select which camera I want to look at the defect in. So no good. And then I'm going to eject. I'm going to flip the board over. And inspect the bottom side of the board.
The show will be open tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Thank you for coming today, and we'll see you all tomorrow. We would also like to take this opportunity to invite everyone to the Women and Electronics reception in room 3014.
Again, we've got some missing solder and missing pins.
Room 3014, the Women and Electronics reception is beginning